There. I might just add a little layer onto here. Yeah, glue it onto there. Just kind of round it down, make it kind of blend. Make things blend in a little bit better down here. Yeah, what's nice about this artist foam, it makes a mess, but it's really wonderful for trying to squeeze into nooks and crannies like that because it just shapes so easily. So if you had just small batches, some small areas to scenic, then I'd say, man, this stuff's great. I know how to fix that. A little bit slanted. Let's just flatten this puppy out so I can put a weight on it. There. Boom. Alright. Next on the list, things to do today, is to start putting in a gravel road off this main road from here over to, get this, the grain elevator. So I'll put a narrow gravel road in here and then spread it out as I get close to the elevator here for a little parking area here. So that's what I plan on doing next. And for the gravel, I'm going to be using this fine light gray ballast. So let me... Alright, first thing I'm doing here is scraping away a little bit of the dirt. I actually built the dirt up so that it was level with the road. Well, I want to take a little bit of that away. So I want to fill that with the gravel in there. Take my ballast. Let me spread this out and see how it looks. Find myself a little paintbrush to spread the ballast with. Well, while searching for a paintbrush, found my eyedropper again. Here. Yeah, I think if I just pat it down like that. There. And it doesn't matter if it comes out even or not, because I'm going to be putting grass and other stuff around it, so that'll make it look like a weed infested gravel road. It's okay if some of the dirt shows up underneath. That just adds to the realism of a road that's been there for a while, so. Alright, now I'm getting close to where the elevator is. Let me mark off where I want the gravel to go. At least up to there. Put a rough line in here. Like that. Let's move this out of the way. Up to there. And just start filling this in. Alright, I think that's probably, yeah, that works. Alright, give it a shot of my spray bottle of wet water, basically just with water with a drop of dishwashing soap in it. I'll put this here because I don't want the pavement to get wet. I'm going to wet this down a little bit, pre-treat it. So glue won't bead up on top of it. And just give it a good soaking with a mixture of 50% Elmer's glue, 50% water. And actually what's ironic, this glue here has a little grass mixed in with it from when I was some stray blades of grass would fall in here. It's actually going on the road. It's actually going on pretty nice. Looks like grass growing up between the gravel. Alright, got this all glued down, and I think that's going to be it for today.